If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the options properties of a form field in Acrobat, open the form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. Then double-click the desired form field to open its Properties dialog box. To view the form field's options properties, then click the Options tab within this dialog box. These settings are unique for almost every type of form field. The properties on the Options tab often set the unique properties of the field type. Note that a digital signature field doesn't have an Options tab within its Digital Signature Properties dialog box. For drop-down fields and list box fields, you can set the list choices on the Options tab within the drop-down properties and list box properties dialog boxes, respectively. To review these settings if needed, review the lesson titled Creating Drop-Down and List Boxes earlier in this chapter. Likewise, to review setting button options on the Options tab of the Button Properties dialog box, review the earlier lesson titled Creating and Editing Buttons. To set options for a text box field in a form in Acrobat, click the Options tab in the Text Field Properties dialog box. To select a text alignment for text in the field, select a choice from the Alignment dropdown. To specify a default value for a text field, enter the default value into the default value field. To let a user enter a file path as the field's value when a file is submitted along with the form, assuming the Scroll Long Text checkbox is the only checked checkbox on this tab, then also check the Field is used for file selection checkbox. To show a user's text entry in the text field as a series of asterisks, which is only available if the Check Spelling checkbox is not checked, then check the Password checkbox. To check the spelling of text entered into this field by the user, check the Check Spelling checkbox. To let the text field allow multi-line text entries, check the Multi-Line checkbox. To let the text box scroll to display long text entries, which is often used in conjunction with the multi-line checkbox, check the Scroll Long Text checkbox. To allow rich text formatting of text in a text field, check the Allow Rich Text Formatting checkbox. To limit the number of characters allowed in a text field, check the Limit of X Characters checkbox, and then enter the number of characters to which to limit the field into the adjacent field. To separate a specified number of characters within a text field with equal spacing and a separator line of the selected border color between each character, check the Comb of X Characters checkbox. Then enter the number of characters to separate into the adjacent field. This works well to display separated values within a text field for account numbers, for example. Note that this checkbox is only available if you selected no other checkbox. To set options for a radio button in a form in Acrobat, select the Options tab in the Radio Button Properties dialog box. To select the style of radio button, select a style from the Button Style dropdown. To set the value of the radio button choice, type it into the Radio Button Choice field. To set the selected radio button as the default selected choice, check the Button is checked by default checkbox. To allow radio buttons with the same names and content to be selected in unison within a radio button group, Check the buttons with the same name and choice are selected in unison checkbox. To set options for a checkbox in a form in Acrobat, select the Options tab within the Checkbox Properties dialog box. To choose the style of the checkbox, select a choice from the Checkbox Style dropdown. To set an export value for the checkbox, type it into the Export Value field. To check the checkbox by default, check the Checkbox is checked by default checkbox. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.